Are you interested in investing but don't know where to start? Don't worry, starting to invest doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. In this video, we'll explore different types of investments that will help you build your wealth even if you're a beginner. You'll learn about safe and accessible investment options that will allow you to start investing and generate passive income. Number 1. High-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is an excellent option for those just starting to invest. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts and are a great way to grow your money without risk. Although the returns are not as high as with other investments, high-yield savings accounts are a safe and accessible option to start building your wealth. Number 2. Certificates of deposit, CD. Certificates of deposit are another safe, low-risk investment option. A CD is a financial product offered by banks and credit unions that allows you to invest a sum of money for a fixed term at a guaranteed interest rate. CDs typically offer higher interest rates than savings accounts, but you must be willing to keep your money invested for a set period, which can range from a few months to several years. Number 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a popular and easy-to-understand investment option for beginners. A mutual fund is a collection of stocks, bonds, or other types of investments managed by professionals. By investing in a mutual fund, you are buying a small part of all the investments in the fund. This allows you to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk without having to research and select individual investments. Mutual funds can be an excellent way to start investing in stocks and bonds without having to be a finance expert. Number 4. Exchange-traded funds, ETF. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are similar to mutual funds in that they represent a collection of investments. The main difference is that ETFs are traded on an exchange like a stock, which means you can buy and sell shares of an ETF throughout the day. This can be beneficial if you want more control over your investments and the ability to quickly buy or sell. In addition, ETFs usually have lower fees than mutual funds, making them an attractive investment option for beginners. Number 5. Retirement plan for 401k or IRA. Investing in a retirement plan, such as a 401k or an IRA, individual retirement account, is another excellent way to start building your wealth. These plans allow you to invest in a variety of options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and typically offer tax advantages. For example, contributions to a 401k or a traditional IRA are often tax deductible, which means you can reduce your tax burden while saving for retirement. Furthermore, employers often match employee contributions to a 401k plan, which means you can get free money for your investment. Starting to invest in a retirement plan as early as possible is crucial to securing a solid financial future. Investing may seem overwhelming at first, but there are accessible and low-risk options to start building your wealth, even if you're a beginner. Consider opening a high-yield savings account, investing in certificates of deposit, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or start contributing to a retirement plan like a 401k or an IRA. By starting to invest early and consistently, you'll be on your way to securing a stable financial future and achieving your long-term investment goals. And don't forget, join our community by subscribing and hitting the notification bell for more content like this.